Meet the RECPOINT Note, an AI-powered card voice recorder. It summarizes, it translates, it turns audio into pro documents. Let's unbox it. Inside the box, the device, a magnetic charging cable, the manual, and this super useful magnetic ring. Watch this. Stick the ring on your laptop. Now you can record meetings instantly. Or stick it on your phone case. If you have a magnetic phone, or use this dedicated leather sleeve. It snaps right on, rock solid. Capture inspiration anywhere. Now, the hardcore features. Feature 1, slide the switch up. Stick it to the back of your phone. It records calls crystal clear. No complex settings needed. Feature 2, slide the switch down. Standard recording mode, meetings, interviews, lectures, it handles them all. Done recording? Get an instant AI summary. Never forget key details again. Charging is effortless. Just snap on the magnet. One full charge lasts over 30 hours of recording. This is RECPOINT Note, your personal AI workmate. What comes next? I'll show you the RECPOINT AI app. The real magic starts there. Stay tuned. How to use RECPOINT Note. Step 1, turn on Bluetooth and connect the app. Connected? Tap the device icon top left. Now you can transfer audio. From the device to your phone, you can sync manually via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. But here is the pro tip. Turn on auto transfer, highly recommended. Once connected, your files upload instantly, zero manual work. It syncs everywhere. And the best part, we give you 64 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Goodbye storage anxiety. One last thing. Tweak your preferences first. Pick your language, set your scene mode, match your actual environment. Now, look at this. Our pro templates. They ensure you get exactly what you need. Besides using the hardware, you can tap record on the app and start recording instantly. Next episode, I'll teach you transcription. Stay tuned. Let's master RECPOINT AI. Back to the hardware. Done recording. Default. All set. Hit transcribe. Boom. AI filters the fluff. Only key points remain. But wait, there is more. Summaries, mind maps, AI chat, a total game changer for elites. Need to go global? Translate the output instantly. Perfect for multilingual teamwork. Got it? Want more pro tips? Follow us. Let's show you the pro moves of RECPOINT AI. Spot a typo, tap to edit directly. Watch this, edit the source text, and AI summaries update automatically. Translations too, perfect logic. Too many files? Don't be messy. Long press to sort into folders, way easier to find. Recording too long? Let AI summarize it. Meet Ray, your AI assistant. She handles single files or multi-file analysis. Watch this. Select a whole folder. RECPOINT AI analyzes everything inside and generates a complete report. Go to the AI workspace, ask Ray anything. What were the key numbers? It is your second brain. Text not enough? Turn audio into to-do lists, podcasts, brainstorms, SWOT analysis. Here is the hidden gem. Dig deeper by asking Ray complex questions. One last trick. Meeting minutes ready? Generate a PDF in one click, send it to your boss, or export the audio. Finally, the idea workshop. Submit your suggestions here. We want to hear your voice. This is RECPOINT, the ultimate AI recording experience. Why haven't you bought one yet?
RECPOINT Note, your personal AI workmate.